In this video, I'm going to teach you how to farm gear and infinite power fast in Legion Remix. So I have in here this particular article that can help us to farm. So you can farm fragmented memento of epoch challenges. So in order to do this, you can combine 100 fragments and it will give you significant boost of infinite power. So for this, the best way to farm is head over to the end of the dungeon. You can actually finish the dungeon from there, and then you will get Mote of a Broken Time and Fragmented Memento, and you can take it into account the established time it would take to beat the dungeon. So you need to beat it as fast as you can to get the rewards from it. So with Archway, you can actually have longer time than most dungeons. So it's actually much preferred to go over and then defeat dungeons instead of Archways right here. Now, if your group is strong enough, you can go even far, splitting your group to finish dungeon even faster with that. With this, you can get in here some spawn point as well as go over and then finish the final boss. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.